Hi guys, I'm Hasa with WTI and my favorite dessert is tiramisu. And I make it every time I'm gonna have my parents over or any family members or friends because I think that's the best dessert I can make. And that's why I keep on using these Vicenzi Vicenzovo Ladyfingers from Patisserie Matilde Vicenzi store. And these are so good, you guys. They're really crispy, but they're not over sweet. That's something I really like. I personally don't like sweet stuff that much. And that's why I make sure when I'm making some desserts, my ingredients are not too sweet. They go perfect with your coffee, but they're also great to make tiramisu or chocolate cake or any other desserts that are soft. I've bought these multiple times. They never come broken, which is something that I really appreciate because cookies are pretty delicate products to handle, and they definitely are a nice airy crunch, and they taste really good on their own too. And for tiramisu, I would recommend a quick dip. That's the key to get the perfect tiramisu and a great consistency. So if you guys are looking to make the best desserts with the best ladyfingers in the market, these are the ones from Vicenzovo. They are so delicious, crispy, crunchy, and that's my point of view.